Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. We have the next kit for the immunity kit from doTERRA today. So I've got Rachel here with me while we're going to unbox this. So this is month 2 of the immunity wellness program from doTERRA. You should leave a comment below which one you want me to do next, either the restorative kit or the relaxation kit. Each of these is a 3-month subscription from doTERRA, and then you can cancel at any time. They're $75, and you get a few extra little goodies as well. So here is what kit 2 comes in. It has the nice little sticker. It's just a cardboard packaging. So far I've been pretty impressed with the packaging and stuff for this kit. And then it has a little tab over here that you can just pull to get that open. All right, Rachel, Mom does not remember what's supposed to be in this kit, so let's explore this together. Alright, so, they have a travel-sized mouthwash. Now, I like to travel. I'm not doing as much of it right now with having 3 kids and everything, but I love this, a travel-sized mouthwash. What I will do is keep the packaging from this once this is empty, and just put pour doTERRA mouthwash into this for future. They do not sell this travel size normally, so this is a free gift with month 2. Let's see here, what else is in here? We have some grapefruit essential oil, which is really good for helping out your metabolism and just overall wellness. We have some On Guard beadlets. My kiddos absolutely love these. I love giving them to them. You just put one in your mouth and it's really good, help little immunity boost. There is tea tree essential oil. I love using this in the kiddos' hair to help get rid of little buggies. But also it has another myriad of other amazing benefits. Tea tree is another great oil to be getting in here. Another hand spray. That's pretty awesome as well. A little immunity kit 2. So it tells you exactly everything that is in this kit. And then it has this on the front. Doing this one-handed is a little challenging, so please bear with me. Okay. And then you get On Guard soft gels to help you build your immunity, help promote a healthy immune system. I love these. I like to do them 10 days off, 10 days on. Some people take them year round, so it just really depends. And then the last thing in here is in this little bag. I love this canvas bag here with the little doTERRA on that. That is really cute. Oh, okay, it's a tongue scraper. doTERRA, it's a copper tongue scraper. And then it has directions back here. And this is what it looks like. So that was the other free gift. So the 2 free gifts for month 2 is the mini mouthwash and the tongue scraper. Okay, so I've never used a tongue scraper before, but I think it's really cool looking. I like that it's copper. It feels really good quality. But I'll definitely have to try that out and see if I like it. I've never used one before. Leave a comment below if you've used a tongue scraper, if you like it, what you like about it, what you don't like about it. And then I love this. I can definitely use this again in the future for like doing like a little gift or a little giveaway. Put some oils in it or something. Cute little drawstring canvas bag. So there are some really cute things that I wish maybe doTERRA sold more regularly. But then, so what came in the kit that weren't the free gifts are the hand sanitizer that I just dropped, the tea tree, the On Guard beadlets, the grapefruit, and the On Guard soft gels. So I think overall I'm really liking this wellness program from doTERRA. It's a great way to get started with essential oils if you've never used them before. It's very self-explanatory on how to use them and the best uses for them. It has like a lot of really good information on the back of the card. So if you're interested in getting started with essential oils, you don't have anyone to help you along with the process, please reach out to me. I would love to help you, love to get you into my Facebook group, the Essential Oil Mom Hub. I share a lot of really great tips in there. It's a really fun group to be a part of. And then, yeah, so just wanted to let you guys know. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and God bless.